Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the best way on how you can unblock websites on Chrome browser. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So it's very easy. What you have to do is just open up Google Chrome and you just need to open it up like this. Now, right over here, what you have to do, just simply press on these three dots right over here and you just got to go ahead and press on settings. Once you're inside settings, what you have to do is go to privacy and security. And right over here, you'll see a few options, but you just gotta go ahead and press on security. It's very easy. After that, you just gotta scroll down until you see the option of select DNS provider. And right over here, you just gotta go ahead and choose Cloudflare. So I don't want to unblock any website or, do anything like that. But if you are up to it, you just gotta go for Cloudflare. And once you've done this, you just gotta select it and make sure that you have turned off all of your extensions and none of the extensions are working and usable. Just turn it off like this, and once they're turned off, you're good after that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.